Okay, folks, quick video, and this is for someone that was asking about this on Reddit, but it applies to anybody. Turn off auto arrange on Linux Mint. Turn it off. All right, go to your desktop, go to your screen. This is a multi monitor setup here, but it should be the same. Right click the screen, go down until you see customize. Click customize. It opens another window. You see where it says auto arrange? Click that off. Okay. Now your desktop icons will not arrange themselves. You get to put them in whatever order you want. Close this window. Right click again. Okay. Because sometime it'll do it by itself. Sometime it won't. If it don't, click restart Cinnamon and it will restart your desktop. The question, this was a Cinnamon user. I don't know about XFCE or any of the other ones, but I know in Cinnamon this works. And you click restart Cinnamon and it restarts your Cinnamon desktop without restarting the computer. Okay? Hope that works for you. And from there on out, all your desktop icons should be in the order that you put them, and they stay there. They don't snap back when you move them from one position to the other. All righty. All righty. Hope that helps. Leave a comment if it helped or if it didn't, and we try to get you going from there. Bye.